Hi, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. What's your name? What's your name? Hi. Nice to see you. I'm glad to meet you. Hello. Can I be your friend? Hi. Ito guys. Nandito ito sa park ngayon, dinala ng may-ari. Nagpaalam ako sa kanya na kukunin ko ng video. So okay naman yan, okay naman din sa kanya. Ang ganda ng parrot, guys. This is the first time I see a real parrot. Kasi ang nakita ko kasi noon, guys, yung sa picture lang. Ito. Aqua. Hi. Hello. Iya ka meng ah. What's is it, a boy or girl?
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 Yeah.
You're a girl? Oh,
No.
so scared. Oh, you're a girl. What's your name? Look at Meng ah. My ah.
Kana is a transfer.
Oh. Your name is Mai. My name is Auntie. Auntie Bibi. Say hi to Auntie Bibi. Hello. Oh, good.
Maya. Okay, yeah.
Okay. You're so cute. You're so cute and beautiful. See your color. You're so beautiful, my friend. You look at here. Hi. Hello. How's your day today? It seems you don't like to see me. Huh? Oh, takala. Takala. She said takala. It's okay la. Yeah. 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 Thank you for talking to me. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I love you. Bye-bye. So yan guys, ang parrot nga nakita ko ngayon. Oh, thank you. Bye-bye.